Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. Today I will be painting these two mason jars that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be gluing the candle holders to the bottom of the jars. The candle holders, I did order those from Amazon because I kept going back and forth to my Dollar Tree and they didn't have any more, so I ordered the candle holders from Amazon. And the paint is the apple barrel paint that I got from Walmart, and it's called Golden Sunset. So I'm only going to paint the candle holders and the lids, and I will glue those together, add a little lace bow to them, and I will add a little lace bow, and sorry about that, to the front of them. And the lace bow I got from um, the Dollar Tree. And I do both jars the same way, and this is a peach, apple barrel peach also that I have, and I'm just going to glue, like I say, glue them together. And I started them out on my fireplace, but they end up on my dining room table with my fall decor. So it turned out quite cute. And I also have little chopping boards, little mini chopping boards that I got from the company. I'm sure everyone have heard of them now, called TEMU. So I have those also, and I started to put them as a garland in front of my fireplace. I started to put them on the jar, but I ended up putting them in my tier tray after I removed them from my fireplace. And I will have that company, and it's no promotion or anything for me. I'm just, it's a good price if you haven't tried them out. I've gotten a few craft things that was pretty reasonable, I thought. So I did get the little inspirational stickers that I would add also later onto the little cutting boards. But here I just glue the candle holders to my mason jar and add the little um, lace bow in front of it. And I missed some footage on my the little cutting boards, but we'll just get right into it after I get these glued and the bow on them, and you still will be able to see how cute they came out. And these are the little cutting board. And now what I've painted them the same colors I did the jar, and on the one of them I added all three colors together, and they come out really cute. Just add a little the inspirational stickers I got from Temu as well, and I will have, like I said, that in my description below. And you can do so many things with these little um, boards. I mean, if you wanted to put make a nameplate out of it, or whatever you wanted to do. I started at work fall, so it's a number of things that you can do with them. I thought they were quite cute. I think I got about six in a bag. I can't remember the price at all, but it was reasonable. And this is they turned out really cute, the jars, and this is the finishing of the cutting board and the jars. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you so much.